Hey guys, Tyler from Tabmaster here, and I briefly want to go over our three different foot activator styles, where we intended them to be used, and why we suggest that they be used in certain settings. Of course, you can use them in different areas if you think they'd work better for you in that situation, but we did have certain applications in mind when we designed each activator. So without too much delay, I'm going to get right into it. First, I'm going to go over our Kickplate activators. They look like this. They're meant to be installed directly up against the toe kick of your cabinets, and they were originally designed to be used in dental offices and medical clinics. And the reason for that is they're designed to be used in an area where there's a traditional toe kick, which most dental and medical offices have, beneath their cabinetry, and they're meant to be used with shoes. That's the key thing here. We do have lots of people install these in their homes and they're quite happy with them, but if you do tend to walk around your home in socks or bare feet, this might not be the best option for you because, again, they're designed to be used with shoes in mind, which means they take a little bit more power, a little bit more effort to lock on, and a little bit more effort to release from that continuous flow option. That said, they do have the continuous flow option, which is very handy in a home because then it lets you fill the water of your sink or your pot without having to stand there and use the activator the whole time. The other activator we have that offers that continuous flow option is our Euro activator. That's this little guy here. This is what I would recommend and what most of us would recommend you put in your home. The reason for that is the little rubber probe that we have here is actually a soft durometer TPU, which is very friendly on bare feet and socks. And it does, like I said, offer that locking continuous flow functionality if you buy the 1775 version of this. The model 1770 does not have that. So if you're looking for, the difference between the 1770 and the 1775, the difference really comes down to the 1775 allows you to leave the water running while you walk away and come back. The 1770 does not. Getting into our in-floor activators, these are designed, with commercial kitchens, public restrooms, any place with a pedal steel sink or a wall-hung countertop, where there's no place to install either the Euro or the Kickplate activator. It does offer hot, warm, cold selection using the 1786 model, which has the red and blue bumps on top of it. They're all rated to be, mopped. They're designed to be driven over with floor polishers. They're very tamper-proof and they're virtually indestructible. That said, they do require that you either, drill a hole into your floor and then run the control tubing back to the control valves, or use a surface mount kit. We do recommend, if possible, to, drill that hole in your floor and, run the tubing underneath, up and back without having to run that surface mounted ducting, just because it makes for a cleaner install. But we realize that that's not a possibility for, a lot of places, particularly, in concrete floors where it costs a lot of money to, pocket out that little hole and then dig a trench back, or in older, installations where you don't want to drill up the floor. So anyways, that was just a brief overview. We do recommend, the Kickplate activators for, medical offices, dental offices. Residential use, we do strongly recommend our Euro foot activators. And then for public restrooms and other places like that, that's where our in-floor activators really come into their own. Thank you again for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please send us an email at info@tabmaster.ca or check out our website at www.tabmaster.ca. Leave a comment below if you have any suggestions or any comments. If you have one of our activators and you found certain strengths for them or you use them in places we haven't anticipated, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks again. Have a great evening. Have a great day, and happy holidays. Hopefully after Christmas I won't be working out of my house anymore. But this is the world we live in. Thank you.